G'day guys, welcome back to Aussie Buckets main distribution facility here in Truganina, Melbourne. My name's Riley and today I'm going to be walking you through our digging bucket range. This range is going to come with our industry leading 5-year warranty, so let's check it out. Alrighty guys, let's get into this walk around here of our digging bucket range. So when I say digging bucket range, I mean everything from your GP buckets to your trenching buckets to your gummy buckets and then also your spade buckets on the end here. So what we'll do, we'll start over with our big 35-ton GP bucket and run through a few different features that this bucket has. Start with the side cutters here. So our side cutters, main purpose is going to be on those uneven faces when cutting into them. So that primary excavation work. We're also going to have our chisel teeth and our compression relief exits, more commonly known as holes. So these holes are going to allow exit of air that would normally get trapped behind the bucket and push soil back out the front. So they're going to allow you to get bigger scoops, fuller scoops, allowing you to maximize your efficiency. Now, if we look to our left here, we're going to have our trenching bucket. So trenching buckets, they're gonna have the same features as your big GPs, but they're gonna allow you to customize the width. So you can have a 400, a 300, depending on the type of work that you're doing, depending on the type of trench that you're looking to dig. We're also gonna have our gummy bucket there. That's gonna be on this side here. So these gummy buckets, they're gonna have two main purposes. First one is going to be, some of you guys in civil will know that you need certain finishes when you're finishing your trench work. So that's going to allow you to get a nice even finish, a nice flat finish. The second purpose is going to be when working around services. So if you're working around, plumbing services or electrical, you don't want these teeth poking where they shouldn't be. So that reversible bolt-on end is going to be perfect for that application. We're also going to have our spade bucket here. So this is more of a niche bucket and its main purpose is going to be for clay. So you can look at this kind of like a spoon. It's going to have those shallower sidewalls, allowing the bucket to get all that clay, but not clog up inside, say a trenching bucket there. You're going to be able to excavate and then dump out. Now, if we move on, we're going to see our little tackers at the front here. So they're going to be the same as the big ones behind me, but we do service the little ones. So you can get any of these buckets and the 1-ton range all the way up to your 120-ton excavators. Now, touching on customization, we can customize these buckets to any widths, any teeth, anything that you like. So if you need to do a 200mm trench, you need to do a 400mm trench, you're looking for different types of teeth, you're looking for different types of blades, we are more than happy to customize and get a tailor-made bucket just for you. Alrighty guys, that's gonna wrap up our walk around here of our digging bucket range. So these buckets are going to be applicable for all the different industries out there. So whether you're new to the game and you're looking to get a brand new kit out for your brand new machine, or you're looking to upgrade your older buckets to something new, durable, and gonna stand the test of time, give us a call, 039917 8598, or head over to the website, aussiebuckets.com.au and speak to an expert today.